Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of line-out converters to help you find the best option for upgrading your car's audio system. Whether you're looking for the best value, premium features, or an easy-to-use solution, I've got you covered. We'll be breaking down the top 5 converters on the market, their pros and cons, and which one might be the perfect fit for your setup. As always, the product links are in the description below, so you can check them out for yourself. Let's get started. Coming in at number 5 is the PAC SNI-35 Variable Lockout Converter, which is our most budget-friendly option at just $18.89. This converter is ideal if you're adding an amplifier to a factory radio and need to convert your speaker-level output to RCA line-level input. The adjustable output levels give you some control over your audio settings, making it a straightforward choice for basic setups. What's great about the PAC SNI-35 is its simplicity. It uses an audio transformer to provide noise isolation, which is a nice touch to reduce interference. However, the build feels a bit basic, and while it gets the job done, it doesn't offer some of the advanced features we'll see in higher-ranked products. This is perfect for someone looking for a no-frills, reliable option without breaking the bank. On the flip side, the lack of additional features like remote control or AccuBASS processing means it's better suited for casual users rather than audiophiles. But for the price, it's hard to beat. At number 4, we have the Kicker 46 KISS-LOC K-Series Line-Out Converter. This is a small but mighty unit, designed to work seamlessly with OEM radios that feature short-circuit protection. It accepts up to 55 watts of input, providing clean and powerful RCA outputs that audiophiles will appreciate. Its compact design makes it easy to install, even in tight spaces, and it's sonically neutral, meaning it preserves your audio's original quality. The standout feature here is its short-circuit protection, which adds an extra layer of reliability to your setup. However, it's important to note that this model doesn't come with advanced features like remote control knobs or bass processing capabilities. It's a solid choice for those who value simplicity and high-quality audio output. But the lack of additional features might leave some users wanting more. Overall, it's a dependable mid-range option for anyone looking to upgrade their car audio system without a complicated setup. Taking the third spot is the Kicker 46 KIS LOC2 K-Series Stereo Line Output Converter. This model steps up the game with its built-in remote turn-on output, which makes it easier to integrate with amplifiers while maintaining the integrity of your factory audio system. It accepts up to 55 watts of input and automatically converts the signal to RCA output, eliminating the need for additional wiring. One of the key highlights of the Kicker 4602 is its sonic accuracy, maintaining the highs and lows of your original sound profile. It's perfect for anyone who wants to add an amplifier to their system without compromising audio quality. Although slightly heavier than the Kicker 4602, its added functionality justifies the difference. However, it's worth noting that this model is best suited for users who are comfortable with a slightly more involved installation process. If you want both performance and convenience, the Kicker 4602 is an excellent option to consider. The runner-up on our list is the AudioControl LC2i, a premium option for those who demand high performance and advanced features. This converter stands out with its AccuBASS processing, which corrects bass roll-off in factory audio systems, ensuring you get deep, rich bass at any volume. It also features both fixed and variable outputs, giving you precise control over your audio levels. The LC2i is compact, well-built, and designed to handle up to 400-watt signals per channel, making it a powerhouse for custom audio setups. It's especially ideal for audiophiles who want to add a subwoofer or amplifier to their car stereo while maintaining exceptional sound quality. The only downside here is the price, which may be a bit steep for casual users. But if you're serious about audio, the LC2i's advanced features and performance make it worth the investment. And finally, taking the top spot is the Scosche LOC2SL Line Output Converter, which delivers the perfect balance of price, features, and performance. At $19.97, It might be the most expensive on this list, but it's worth every penny. This converter is designed for versatility, seamlessly integrating your factory stereo with aftermarket amplifiers. It comes with a remote control knob, allowing you to fine-tune your audio settings without leaving your seat. The LOC2SL is compact, durable, and built for easy installation, making it a fantastic choice for beginners and pros alike. The sound quality is where this unit truly shines, delivering crisp, clean audio with minimal interference. It's a reliable, high-performing product backed by Scosche's lifetime tech support, which adds incredible value. The only minor drawback is its slightly larger size, but given its performance and ease of use, it's hard to fault this unit. If you're looking for a premium line-out converter that offers excellent sound quality and user-friendly features, the Scosche LOC2SL is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the perfect line-out converter for your car audio upgrade. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Until next time, happy listening!